Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Mira in her battle outfit. So first let's get started with the bangs. So right in the center here, we're going to curve this line around and we're going to bring that down on the left hand side. Let's start back in the middle now. We're going to start in the center here and we're going to curve this line around and then down on the right hand side, and we're going to end that at the same height. Now from here, let's close this off again. So starting in the center, we're going to curve this line up, bringing this all the way around and then down in the corner. And then we're going to move across from the center, curving this up and then down on the right, connecting that at a point. Now from here, we're going to move over to the side and we're going to curve this line around and in, creating a half circle for the ear. We're going to do this on both sides. Let's add in the detail on the top of the ear here. So we're just going to curve this line over on both sides. Let's move underneath, closing off the face. So we're going to just draw in a curved line from left to right on the very bottom. So let's move in and draw in our eyes now. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then down. We're going to leave a gap coming across on the right hand side, and we're just going to replicate that. Now from here on the inside corner, we're going to replicate that again, curving this around and then back in on the side, just coloring that in black to thicken up that line on the top. We're going to give Mira some eyelashes now. So moving up, we're just going to draw in 2 triangles on the side, curving those in. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right. And then we're just going to color them in black. Now let's come underneath and draw in the pupil. So we're going to start on the outside here on the top, and we're going to curve this line around and then in, creating a small circle. Let's add in some highlights now for Mira's eyes. So we're going to draw in a circle in the top left corner. And then we're going to move down on a diagonal, drawing in another circle, just making that one slightly smaller for the second highlight. And then now we're just going to color in the pupil black. Now let's come up above for the eyebrows. We're going to arch this line over towards the bangs on both sides. And then from that inside corner, we're just going to curve this line back around and across, closing that off. Let's move in towards the middle now for the nose, drawing in a small curved line right in the center. And then moving directly underneath, we're just going to draw in another curved line, arching that across towards the right. Let's close off the top of Mira's hair now. So we're going to come up in towards the center and we're going to curve this line around. We're going to bring that in towards the corner beside the ear. And then we're going to flip across on the right hand side and replicate that. So we're going to bring this around and then down. Let's draw in the hair ties for the ponytails now. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line around and down. We're going to flip across on the right hand side, replicating that. We're going to draw in 2 spikes coming out from that. So on the top in the middle, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out on both sides, and we're going to draw those at the same size. Now let's move up and we're going to close off the hair tie. So we're going to bring this line in from the side. We'll do the same on the top here. And then we're going to do the same over here, bringing this line down from the side there. We'll draw the body and then we'll draw the rest of the hair because it's going to fall behind. So let's come down for the neck and we're going to curve this line out on the left and right hand side, drawing that at the same size. On the left-hand side here, we're going to bring this line out and then down on a diagonal. Let's move down for the dress now. So for the right shoulder, we're going to curve this line out and then down. Now from here, moving up above, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then moving up above in the corner, we're just going to curve this line down on both sides. Moving in for the strap, we're going to curve this line down on the left and right hand side. And then now from here, we're going to bring this line out and then in. For the torso, bringing that line down. Now on the side, on the right, we're going to curve this line out. We're going to do the same thing on the left. Just going to make the line on the left slightly longer. And then now from here, let's draw in the arms. So we're going to come up for the hand on the left-hand side, curving this line out. From here now, we're going to bring this line up on a diagonal towards the top. Where the arm's bending here, we're just going to bring this line in towards the torso. Let's bend that elbow. So we're going to round this corner out now on the top, bringing that over and through. And then to close off the hand behind, we're just going to arch this line around and then back in. Let's draw on the right arm. So we're going to start back on this line, bringing this line down and in towards the bottom. Let's move over towards the inside, replicating that, and we're just going to end that at the same height. Now on the inside here for the thumb, we're going to curve this line around and up. Moving above that, we're going to curve that line over towards the right. And then now from here on the side, we're going to curve this back through towards the top. Now let's draw in the rest of the outfit here. So we're going to come in and add some details. So right in the center, stepping over on the left, we're going to draw in a circle. We're going to come across on the right hand side, drawing in another circle. We're going to make this one slightly smaller. Let's move across again, drawing in another circle. And then our final one on the right hand side here, we're just going to make that one even smaller, connecting that towards the side. Let's move over on the left now. We're going to draw in a small circle again to the left of that. And then we're going to come across on the left hand side, curving this around and connecting that on the top. Let's move over underneath that now. We're going to bring this diagonal line down towards the right. And then we're going to close that off by curving this diagonal line across towards the top there. Let's do the same on the left. So we're going to curve this line in towards the center here. And now let's add in some more details up above. So we're going to come directly up on the top here. And we're going to curve this line around and through on a diagonal. And then we're going to drop down, replicating that, bringing that over, and then back through towards the right. We're going to draw in 3 stripes as we come down here. So one on the side, curving this down. Let's move in towards the middle, replicating that, leaving a small gap. Let's move across, replicating that again, curving this line down. And then we're going to move over and draw in 2 more diagonal lines, curving those down towards the bottom. Let's move underneath. We're going to step over, we're going to bring this line down. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this back up towards the top. We're going to leave a small gap, bringing that line back down again. And then again from that point, just curving this back through towards the top. Let's leave a small gap one more time, bringing that down and then back through towards the top. Let's come over on the left-hand side here. We're going to draw in a small circle. We're going to leave a gap, drawing in our second circle. Let's come down, leaving another gap, drawing in our third circle. And then again, moving down one more time. And for our last one, we're going to come down underneath, drawing in our circle below the dress there. We're going to connect these all together now with a straight line from circle to circle. And now let's add in some details on the arms. So on the right hand side, we're going to draw in 2 curved lines coming up on a diagonal. We're going to come down in the center, curving 2 lines directly across. Let's leave another gap. We're going to replicate that again. Let's move down towards the wrist. We're going to draw in 2 curved lines, closing that off from the hand. And then as we move up again, let's replicate that one more time. Let's draw something similar on the top left now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve 2 diagonal lines coming up. We're going to draw in 2 more curved lines coming up towards the top left. And then moving through again. Let's do that 2 more times. Now let's come down from the wrist, drawing in a curved line, doing that twice. And then again, as we move up, just replicating that one more time. Let's draw on the weapon she's holding now. So coming in behind the arm, we're going to have this extend through. So we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes up. We're going to curve that at the top, bringing that in towards the arm. Let's extend that through underneath now. So extending this line through, we're going to draw a long diagonal line coming out. We're going to do the same on the top from that point, and we're going to make this one slightly longer, ending that on a diagonal. Now from here underneath, we're going to curve this line out towards the left. And then on the bottom from that corner, we're going to curve this line around and up towards the right. Now from that point, we're going to arch this back through towards the top, closing that off. Now let's come up and we're just going to draw in 2 diagonal lines coming across. Let's move up now and close off the pigtail. So we're going to curve this line out on both sides. Let's continue to bring this down now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line down, in towards the ear, flaring that out towards the bottom. Let's continue to bring that across now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to start back on this line, curving this out, and then down towards the bottom. And then we're just going to flip over on the right-hand side, replicating that, ending that at the same height. Now from that point, we're going to curve this back up towards the top. Let's curve this line in on the right-hand side. Let's do the same on the left. So we're going to arch this line down and then back up from that point. Let's do the same as we move in, curving this out and then back up. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line back in. Now from here, let's add some detailed lines. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out and through towards the hand. And then coming underneath, we're just going to bring this line up, following that underneath towards the chin. Let's move across on the right. We're going to bring this line down, out, following the shape of the hair, bringing that in towards the arm. And then again, moving across, we're just going to curve that line down. Let's draw in Mira's legs now. So starting on the left-hand side, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming down. We're going to do the same as we come underneath the dress there, and we're going to end that at the same height. We're going to start on the bottom, curving that line out on a diagonal, mirroring that on the opposite side. From the corner, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line coming up towards the top. And now from that point, we're just going to curve this around and through towards the inside on a diagonal. Let's drop down. We're going to curve this line across, creating a small strip. Let's move up again. We're going to draw in another diagonal line coming out. And then we're just going to curve that back up from that corner on a diagonal towards the inside. And then now we're going to move down, curving that over and across towards the middle. Now to close off the leg, moving up, we're going to bring this line up towards the bottom of the dress there. Now on the top here, we're going to draw in 2 curved lines coming down on a diagonal. And then we're going to do the same as we move through here. So we're going to start on the top, bringing that line in. We're going to follow that on a diagonal as we come underneath. And then we're going to move up again, replicating that, following that underneath as well. Let's close off the hair underneath. So in the center, curving that through. And then on the right, bringing that from the hand in towards the leg. Lastly, let's draw in Mira's feet. So on the inside here, we're going to curve this line out, around, through, in, and then back up on the side. And that is it. That's how you draw Mira in her battle outfit. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.